I'm really excited today because we had like 1 or 2 other videos in the works, and we dropped both of those because something just got released that is both amazing and so overwhelmingly expensive that it blows my mind if anybody actually purchases this. Let's get into it. So as you guys know, Elgato is the top gear provider, equipment provider for streamers and a lot of gamers, but mostly streamers, for all the different products that they have with capture cards, lighting equipment, green screen. They have a lot of different products that you guys can purchase. But as we know, Elgato's not cheap. Although their products they claim are, you know, top of the line, the best of the best, most of them are. Like the Cam Link, I would say that their capture cards definitely top of the line. They're 4K Pros, best capture cards that any streamer out there can get on the market, hands down. But they keep shelling out some products nowadays that really seem like they're very money grabby almost, and it's kind of unfortunate to see, but they shelled out another one. And as we've seen in the past, you have your Elgato key lights, and those are great because you can control them from your computer. They work with the Stream Deck, but at the same time, is it worth a $150 to $250 price tag for one light? A lot of people don't have $200 to spend on a light. If you want optimized lighting for your stream, you're gonna get at least 2 different lights. So are people gonna drop this kind of cash for a stream setup? That's really difficult to say, and it's really a lot to ask as somebody that, you know, is just trying to start up a stream. So today we'll go over what makes this new Elgato Ring Light so good, kind of evaluate whether or not it's actually worth $250, and also give you guys some much cheaper options and that work just as well. So first, I want to go over this ring light on Elgato's site and see if it's actually worth what they're saying it is. Illuminate on command, great. Premium from top to bottom. This is just their marketing. Ooh, fancy fade out, great. Got people doing their makeup and other things on TikTok. Unmatched radiance, okay, more marketing. State of the art. Okay, so we actually can see. So they literally got like a $5 ring light, as you can see here, and turn the brightness all the way down to show you this picture of all the different LEDs and in place. And then they show you theirs on full brightness. The freaking marketing is unreal sometimes. It's so honestly, this is stupidity. Let's just continue. Premium LEDs that are flicker free. If you're shooting at a super high frame rate on your camera, then you may see some flickering in lights, especially non-LED lights. But in some LED lights, you get up to like 120 frames per second or more. You're going to start seeing some flickering. On my stream, I shoot in 30, but you're never going to see something like that. You're never going to have that kind of flickering on your stream. Color adjustable, going from like a soft white to like a full day bright is what they're talking about, with like super high, like 4K lumens. Emits a soft glow. It goes between like soft lighting and like full day bright. For example, right now what I'll do is, because I have 2 Elgato lights and I wanted to buy this ring light for you guys to see what the hype is about and what you can actually do with this and all that, I'm probably not going to go spend $250 on this. I don't need this. I can't see why other people would need this. But anyway, from my control center on my PC, I can turn these off. Turn them both back on. I can turn one off, one back on, the other off, back on. Let me show you with this light here what it's like when I change the color. I can change the brightness. Ow. I can also change how soft the light is. Here, I'm going to put this at 50%, down 35%. Now we can go for a more yellow. This is more where we like it, but a little bit of controlling that you can do with simple LEDs. It's not like they change color or anything. Or if like you want to do like some fade effect where they change colors or different things, they don't do that. They're not supposed to do that. But then again, why am I paying for $150 of LEDs just because I can control them on my computer or my Stream Deck and they're compatible? That's what you are paying for. You're not paying for the actual quality of light. The marketing campaign that Elgato's putting out here, that they're top of the line LEDs, it really doesn't mean anything. Let's continue. Up to 2,500 lumens, fully dimmable. Ooh, sunset. to 7K. A translucent grid panel, which you get with all LEDs, literally. Ultra reflective film. Okay, so the LEDs are not coming off the back here. They're coming off the side and they're reflecting off of aluminum film. Instead of direct, you get a reflection of LEDs. Control on your terms. You control it using the control center. Now, again, this is what you're paying for. You're paying to be able to control your lighting from your phone, from your computer, from your Stream Deck. That's essentially why you're paying $250 for this. It's not up here. It's not because of the actual quality of the LEDs. They're LEDs. Here is what you're paying for. That's why you're paying $200, $250. It can mount any camera, they say. This is probably the most useful feature on the entire thing, is that there's a desk clamp for it. I don't need it. I think that this is probably the most useful feature about it. You can also get Ring LED lights with these features, which I'm going to show you. You can find these on Amazon. You can customize it. They show you some different options. They give you the base options. Oh, look, they're already out of stock. Sad. Out of stock. So it looks like bots already bought this up. Ring light, $200. Phone grip, I don't know why I said $0. This little phone grip, you got to pay an extra $15 for it. Heavy base, $40. $255 for a ring light. $255 so that you can plug it in on your Stream Deck or hit the power button on your computer. I don't know about you, but it seems a little convenient. Not $250 worth though. As I said, let me show you some options, some cheap options that can do basically everything that the Elgato ring light can do. Okay, here's the first option. There's an LED ring light with a tripod desk stand. It has a 12.5-inch circumference. Pretty big. Let's see how big the Elgato ring light was. 17-inch diameter. So it is a bit bigger. You can hold bigger cameras then. This one would work for me because it fits my phone. It would fit the camera that we're filming on right now, which is the Sony a5100. I wouldn't need it personally. But then again, if you got a bigger camera, you probably got a bigger pocket than I do. Maybe you'll pick up the Elgato. Don't recommend it. Oh, look. Even a large camera that can fit inside this one too. Entire package, desk stand, ring light, phone grip, everything. A whopping $35 price tag. How's the Elgato looking? Oh wait, sorry. You can't control this from your computer or Stream Deck. You're gonna have to hit the power button and pocket $200. Let's try a different option, shall we? Wow, look at this. A two-headed ring light that has a phone stand in the middle of it. Has a little remote that you can control it from. You can take pictures from, sync up to your phone. USB, $50. You can control the brightness and the lighting on it too. These all have kind of a cheaper desk clamp. Here's a ring light, no phone access option. Can't hold your phone, but it's got the desk clamp and the boom arm for it. $35. How about this one? Ring light upgrade version, a 19-inch with LCDs display. Apply to your camera, your phone. Look at this. And this, $100. Comes with a desk clamp, holds any camera, a 19-inch diameter. Still feeling good about the Elgato? Check out some other options. For all you penny pinchers, you got a $25 option, 2 ring lights, 2 different options, and then a phone, and it all attaches to a desk clamp, a cheaper desk clamp, obviously. $20 for a 6-inch diameter. I want to see Neewer's option. Neewer's got a $130 option that does all different colors. Comes with a travel case and everything, a desk clamp. Geez. But out of all the options, guys, this one right here, this is going to be your best option for everything and the price. So we've taken a look at a few different options besides this Elgato ring light. Again, you're paying for the compatibility to be able to turn this thing on and off, change the color, everything within your computer, within your desktop, within your Stream Deck, within the control center of Elgato. Is it worth it? Something that you have to answer for yourself. I'm giving you all of the information that you need. To me, it is not worth it. To you, it might be, and that's okay. But is this something that you desperately need for your stream and it's what's going to drive now hundreds of people over to your channel? No, it's not. Hundreds of people are going to come watch you because you have a ring light, an Elgato ring light. No, it's not. Don't burden yourselves. Don't make unnecessary purchases. You don't need it. It's just marketing trying to sell you something new, something fresh. Elgato makes a lot of great products, This one's a money grab. That's really all there is to it. Decision's up to you guys. If you guys have any questions though about, what we use on our setup, you can come see me and stream. I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and most Saturdays. And also, you can add me on Twitter or jump into our Discord. There's a lot of people in our Discord channel that are willing to answer any questions and collaborate and play some games. And if this question comes up, this is going to be your answer. Do you need it or do you just want it. Focus on what is going to help you build your channel. Focus on your content. Don't sell yourself short or think that you need some pretty marketing scheme in order to get viewers. You don't need it. You're better. But until the next time, you guys, stay busy. We'll see you. Someone's real salty. Dude, I did not peak in high school. That is a fact. You want to know why? Because I don't still walk around with my high school ring. Like somebody.
Yo, that's
Stewie.
Wait, that's crazy. I actually have mine on my desk right now.